And then we have the sensor. The sensors are hypersensitive, highly introverted individuals. But what we see with them is they have an incredible intuition. If they get a quiet space, their own space, they're able to be in that space with the information and with time and warmth to process that information. Interestingly enough, they need warmth around their body. If they get cold, that actually really increases their cognitive load and disrupts them environmentally. But they have an incredible intuition and they are very good at process. They'll be able to think through a process very, very easily, but they have a really powerful intuition. And this is something that I feel is definitely not included in decision-making in a formal way in a lot of organizations. And that is, we do have an individual that's got a great gut instinct. We do have individuals that are highly intuitive, but do we actually lean into those processes? As a leader, you'll know you've made gut or intuitive decisions before that have really panned out. Why wouldn't you want to harness that? And if you know how this expresses for different individuals, it's a strength that you're missing in your team. And so a couple of things that I just wanted to share about the values in decision-making is with this priority order that we've developed by observing biology. And then I'll just share a few dynamics about how people are going to interact together in the decision-making. So firstly, when we're thinking about great decision-making platforms, if you're an activator, you've got to move your body first and you have a snack. Then you'll make better decisions. This will take away that limbic influence that you're going to have. It's going to take you out of the excitement and the intensity of your feelings and thoughts by blowing off some steam and having food. It will dampen your adrenal response, and then it will allow you to make a decision from a more centered place. A diplomat, you need to make sure that you've decluttered your environment and you're not rushed for time. This is very, very important. As a crusader, you want to ensure that you've got the information, you've got very, very clear outcomes, and you're ready to go. And it's focused towards a mission, and it's the right time of day, I should say. How you've collected information, how you've prepared, when you're doing this in your day will have a huge influence over the types of decisions that you're going to make. Guardians, you want to be thinking, is everyone sorted? Is everyone going to be cared for? Will everyone survive? I've firstly got to account for my people. I've got to make sure that everybody is all right. Then have a meal. Then you'll make some great decisions. This is, if you're considering people first, then you're having a meal. This will calm yourself. This will make you feel stable, essentially. And from this stability, you'll make some great decisions. Connectors, you need to be clearing your mind verbally. You actually need to be processing all of the thoughts out of your mind. Feelings need to be ejected. Emotions need to be processed. And you'll do that much more easily if you verbally express